Welcome to our new listing, 1447 Patio Drive. It's a cute home, 3-bed, 1.5 bath. It's a little bit over 1,400 square feet, and we price at $145.
We're conveniently located near the Pruneyard in Campbell. Great dining, shopping, and really close to commute ways nearby. Come take a look at this beautiful home.
Thank you for taking a look at this beautiful home in Campbell.
The real estate market is constantly changing for buyers and sellers. If you think about selling or buying in the Bay Area, give us a call.